Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, explain GARMIN Drive app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, in 2025, the GARMIN Drive app is a useful companion for Garmin GPS and dashcam users, offering a real-time traffic, weather update, parking information, live dashcam control. It also allows users to view and download footage from connected dashcam, sync trip data, and receive smart notification. For drivers using Garmin device, it enhances the overall navigation experience with added convenience and hand-free features, especially on long-time trips. However, the app has some frustrating issues. Users often report slow video export, connectivity problem with dash cams, and on occasional crashes, particularly on Android. The interface feels out of date. Some features may lag or fail to synchronize properly. And here's my intake about this mobile app. The Garmin Drive is worth it for Garmin device owners who want added functionalities but expect occasional bug and consider using the SD card backup for faster dashcam video access. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.